are in Orlando, Florida, and this is Miller's Jamaican cuisine. It's evidently a Jamaican restaurant. We're going in to see what they have in here. So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
How can I help you today?
Yes, so I'm just curious to know what type of business you're doing and how long you've been doing it.
We've been in operation for 5 years, and this is a Jamaican food restaurant where we do authentic Jamaican meals.
Okay. So is this something you've been doing since Jamaica?
My family been in the cooking industry for a while, since Jamaica.
Okay, so you did it in Jamaica and you are just continuing with the tradition here?
Yes.
Okay, and how long you been in the business?
5 years. Here in
5?
Orlando.
Yes. And how has it been?
It's been good. Good days by days. We're going to keep it 100% Jamaican. So we have to stay happy.
Yes. And who are the people who support your business?
Mostly Jamaicans. We do have American customers, but mostly Jamaicans.
Okay. But you find that every now and then you have a few people from other cultures?
Other cultures, yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And business has been good?
Been good. Thanks to God.
Yes. So it's a family operated business?
Yes, owned by the Millers, Mr. and Mrs. Miller.
Miller. Okay. All right. So guys, you see, what type of food do you have?
Right now we have oxtail, curry goat, curry chicken, stew chicken,
Mm.
jerk chicken, jerk pork, the beach fish,
Ooh,
red pea soup. We
guys.
have the Jamaican patties.
Wow. You see, guys, this food is looking so good. You see all this food here? Oh, I'm suddenly so hungry, guys. You buy the food here or you grow any of this food that you prepare?
Unfortunately, no.
But-
we purchase locally also.
Yes, but you're able to source
Yes.
the Jamaican foods
Yes.
here. All right, guys, so this is it. We are in Miller's restaurant and this is Orlando, Florida. You have to stop by to try this food, guys.